Just in case you missed it, I already started to modify the 110-year-old camera for the wet plate process. Today I will shoot with the Mamiya 645 AFD II. The 80mm 1.9 will stay at home, but I will take the 35mm 3.5 with me. So let's load the camera. And you see there is a film in there already. I forgot about that, but I got a lucky shot that's gonna be part of the next video. Because I wanted to do street photography at night in Vienna, I loaded a Trix 400 into my camera and pushed it to 6400. More about that at the end of the video. These film bags got insanely expensive on the used market, but I love them. And I also love these sounds. Now get some snacks, something to drink, and enjoy my visit in Vienna. Ja, das war jetzt gut, glaube ich, das zweite. Real. Jetzt hat es funktioniert. Das könnte gehen. Geht's jetzt von vorne? Das könnte gehen, das war jetzt 80. Ich habe die durchgeht und jetzt habe ich gar nicht geschaut, was das jetzt war. Jetzt sind ja sogar 4000 da drinnen. Das wäre 100 Pfund da. So. Lacht er schon. To push Trix for stops, I wanted to go with X-Tool, but ended up with Adox XT3. I could order that one more easily and it came in smaller packs. The Trix came directly from the freezer, but it was really old. Because of that it was very curly and needed some time to get on the spool. The massive development chart told me to develop it for 13.5 minutes by 24 degrees. For rotational development I subtracted 15% and preheated my chemicals to 24 degrees. This time strangely I forgot to use my gloves and I got some drops of the X-Tool on my skin and the skin was irritated, so I'm using my gloves for sure the next time. So learn from my mistakes and use gloves. The 17 seconds were subtracted from the HAO film processor because of the temperature. I really like that. I also love the new firmware, but I would love even more if you would subscribe to my channel, guys. Next time I wanna try HP5 and HC110 developer. So let me know in the comments what developer you would have used. And thanks for watching so far, guys. Thanks a lot to my Patreon supporters. And as always, I'll be back, guys.